Hello friends, you are welcome in our YouTube channel Natural Care.
Friends must subscribe our YouTube channel Natural Care. Also ring this bell to get all new videos notification in your inbox immediately.
Friends, if you are also suffering with cough, cold and nasal catarrh, then definitely watch this video because today we will show you 4 accurate and precise treatment to get rid of cough, cold and nasal catarrh. Accurate remedies to cure cough, cold and nasal catarrh. First remedy, masala tea. In first remedy, we will use our kitchen spices to prepare masala tea. So take 2 teaspoons of dry coriander, and add half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of fennel and 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek. Mix them well to prepare your masala. You can increase or decrease the quantity of this masala but maintain the ratio of materials. Now boil a cup of water. When water starts boiling, then mix half teaspoon of this masala powder and half teaspoon of sugar candy in it. Let the water boil for 2 minutes and then add 1 cup of milk in it. Drink this masala tea 3 to 4 times daily to treat cough, cold and nasal catarrh. It feels new energy and enthusiasm in you as well. So drink it twice a day. Second remedy, garlic. Garlic contains many antiviral and antibacterial qualities, which makes him a special remedy. With that, garlic increases immunity and opens breathing tube as well. To use garlic, boil 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves in a cup of water. After boiling, leave the water to cool and then mix 1 teaspoon of honey in it. You should follow this solution 2 to 3 times in a day to eliminate cough and cold. Third remedy, honey. Like garlic, honey also contains many enzymes, antibacterial and antiviral properties. With that, honey removes dryness of throat and helps to treat cough and cold. So mix half teaspoon of lemon juice in 1 teaspoon of honey and take it. This solution removes cough, cleans breathing tube and makes throat fresh too. That's why follow this easiest and useful remedy of honey to cure cough and cold.
Friends must subscribe our YouTube channel Natural Care. Also ring this bell to get all new videos notification in your inbox immediately.
Fourth remedy, garlic. Take a small piece of ginger and 4 to 5 black pepper. Grind them together and then mix 1 teaspoon of honey in this mixture. Consume 1 teaspoon of this mixture 3 times in a day. But remember, do not eat or drink anything over this mixture for at least 30 minutes. This mixture treats cough, cold and nasal catarrh soon. Other tips. You can prepare brew as well. And for this, you need to boil 5 cloves, some salt and 10 to 15 white brain in 1 glass of water till it remains half. Drink this brew twice a day regularly. We all use red onion at home. The syrup of this red onion helps to cure cough and cold. So cut 2-3 onion in round slice. Now take a utensil and put 1 slice of onion in it. Then mix 1 teaspoon of honey in it. Again put other slice of onion and again add 1 teaspoon of honey. Repeat it for all onion slice and then leave the container for 15 hours. Your syrup will be ready to use after 15 hours. So take 1 teaspoon of this syrup in morning and 1 teaspoon in evening. Grind cinnamon and nutmeg in same quantity and mix them to prepare a powder. Take half teaspoon of this powder twice a day to remove cough and cold. Friends, cough and cold are common diseases, but if you ignore them and do not treat them in time, then they may turn into dangerous disease quickly. Cold comes with many diseases like headache, fever, body pain and cough as well. So do not ignore these diseases and treat them in time. Today in this video, we show you some amazing remedies to cure them. So follow them because they have no side effects. Thank you for watching.
Friends must subscribe our YouTube channel Natural Care. Also ring this bell to get all new videos notification in your inbox immediately.